Hello friends, welcome again to our channel. Today we are going to backtest a expert advisor using the grid system. Come, let's go and attach this expert advisor to the chart and let's see how it functions. Let me open this strategy tester. Now I am selecting this expert advisor grid infinite. Let me select the currency USD. Let us check for 3 months period. Let me select the visual mode and properties. I am using $1,000 for backtesting. Inputs, you see there are a lot of inputs. We will see detailed about these inputs in the later section of this video. Let's start the expert advisor. Yes, and it is started. Okay, for time being, let it run. Let's see about the grid strategy. The grid strategy in Forex is one of the methods of trading which involves placing several orders, buy and sell stop orders or buy and sell limit orders with the predetermined intervals above or below the current market price. The grid trading offers one of the easiest and time-tested trading approach. If you use it in a long run, it can provide substantial results for us. The general idea of the strategy is to earn an income from any market within the price range or so-called the price channel. What are the advantages? The advantages is using the grid system frees us from being right at predicting the direction of the market. We can simply make money in any direction of the moment prices. It will keep us to maximize our profit and to reduce our losses. There is also disadvantage of the system. The system will fail when you get into a very directional market that runs against us. The system needs pullbacks in order to average the losses. Otherwise, we will find ourselves adding to our losses and making bigger and bigger. Let's see about the inputs. The first one is the step. The step is 120. 120 means 120 points. At what point levels the grid orders should be placed? That is the step. Okay, if you want to place 120 points different for every grids, so that is, you can put that any value according to the speed of the currency. Euro USD, for Euro USD I selected 120. If you use GBP, it is speed much more speeder than Euro USD. For if you use GBP you can have the step as 300 or 250. Okay, the next one is the lot size. First lot I have selected 0.1. This also you can change according to the your capital. For $1,000 I have selected 0.1. For if I have $500, then I can make it as 0.05. Okay, then the third one is the minimum profit. At what minimum profit level we want the CA to close the orders? That is minimum profit. If overall profit is 500, then EA will stop all the orders. Okay, then the fourth one is the loss control. This is very important. If you doesn't want to lose more than some predetermined value, for example, if you don't want to lose more than $500, you can make loss control as true, and then in the next thing you see maximum loss, no, that you can put as minus 500. If you want to lose maximum $200, you select loss control as true and select $200 as maximum loss. For this backtesting, I have not selected true. I have selected this as false. And the final one is this magic number. The magic number is nothing but the idea of the orders placed by the expert advisor. The EA is going to finish its work. Let's go and check the results of this expert advisor. You click the results and see. Initially put $1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, 3,000, 3,500, 4,000, 4,500, and finally 5,000. That is, you see, it's always the graph is going up and up. Let's see the report. You put the initial as 1,000 and the gross profit is 5,872 and the net profit is 4,000. Within the gap of 3 months we got 4 times income. That's great. I hope you like this video. If you want to buy this product, it is available in MT4 market. I will give you a link in the description box. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel so that we can notify you when we upload new videos. Thank you. Bye bye.